Hello students, welcome to my channel Hans Commerce Tutorial for the lectures on commerce, accounts, finance and management. My suggestion to you, before watching the video, please go to the description below my video. You'll find a link there. Take a printout of the problems given in the link and keep it ready before watching the video so that you can be able to understand the problem, the solution and the explanation to get the maximum benefit from the lectures. Thank you. Come on students, now we'll start the next problem on probability. That is 37th problem. Almost we are coming to the end of the problems of probability. Hope you have watched all the earlier problems. 37th problem. A husband and wife appear in an interview for two vacancies in the same post. So for the same post, two vacancies are there and husband and wife both have applied to the post. The probability of husband selection is 1/7 and the probability of wife selection is 1/5. The probability of selection of husband 1/7, probability of selection of wife 1/5. What is the probability that both of them will be selected? First question. Second question, what is the probability that both of them will be rejected? And third question, what is the probability that only one of them will be selected? Only one of them will be selected and the next other one will be rejected. So this is the question. Now first of all, we'll put the information given in the problem in notational forms, in symbolic forms. First, P of A. P of A, probability that husband is selected or husband selection. It is given in the problem 1/7. 1/7 is the probability that husband is selected. What is P of A bar? Opposite. Selection का opposite होता है rejection. तो what is the probability that husband is rejected? तो 1 minus 1/7. 1/7 probability selection की है तो 1 minus 1/7 probability rejection की हो जाएगी, right? तो probability of husband's rejection 1 minus 1/7 is 6/7. तो प्रॉब्लम में 1/7 दे दिया, हम उसका मालूम कर लिया 6/7 is the probability of rejection. Similarly, P of B is the probability of wife's selection. Wife's selection probability is 1/5. So what is the probability that wife will be rejected? P of B bar. P of B bar is equal to probability of wife's rejection, that is 1 minus 1/5. 1 में से 1/5 minus कर दो, you will get 4/5. So 4/5 is the probability of wife's rejection. Now first, 3 questions are asked, one by one we'll attempt. The first question, what is the probability that both of them will be selected? Husband is selected and wife is selected. Probability that both of them will be selected, that is husband selected and wife selected. Whenever we are applying and, so we apply multiplication theorem. So two events, we want to find out the product of the two events. Husband is selected and wife is selected. So what is the symbol we have used for husband selection? P of A. What is the symbol we used for wife's selection? P of B. So we multiply P of A into P of B. P of A 1/7, P of B 1/5. So 1/7 into 1/5, 1/35. That's it. 1/35 is the probability that both husband and wife are selected. First question. Second question, probability that both of them will be rejected. Husband is rejected, wife is also rejected. So husband rejection and wife rejection, right? So what is the symbol we used for husband rejection? P of A bar. What is the symbol used for wife's rejection? P of B bar. So we multiply P of A bar into P of B bar. So P of A bar into P of B bar, 6/7 into 4/5. 6/7 into 4/5, 24/35. This is the probability that both of them will be rejected. Now third one. Now here you carefully you see. Probability that any one of them will be selected. Any one of them will be selected, the other one is rejected. कोई भी एक का सिलेक्शन होना, या हस्बैंड का सिलेक्शन होना या वाइफ का सिलेक्शन होना. नाउ दिस कैन हैपन इन एनी वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टू वेज. दो केसेस है, ये दो केसेस में भी एक का सिलेक्शन होगा, एक का रिजेक्शन होगा. तो दो केसेस कौन से हैं? द फर्स्ट केस, हस्बैंड इज सेलेक्टेड एंड वाइफ इज रिजेक्टेड. फर्स्ट केस, ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि हस्बैंड का सिलेक्शन हो गया, वाइफ का रिजेक्शन हो गया, ये एक केस है. और दूसरा केस है वाइफ इज सेलेक्टेड एंड हस्बैंड इज रिजेक्टेड। ये दो केसेस, ये दो में से कोई एक केस भी अगर होगा तो वन विल बी सेलेक्टेड, द अदर विल बी रिजेक्टेड। दैट्स व्हाट द क्वेश्चन आस्क, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट एनी वन ऑफ देम विल बी सेलेक्टेड। कोई एक का सिलेक्शन होना तो उसका मतलब दूसरे का रिजेक्शन हो जाना। तो वी फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हस्बैंड्स सिलेक्शन एंड वाइफ्स रिजेक्शन। Husband selection and wife's rejection. What is the probability? We'll keep it aside. Case 1. Case 2. Wife's selection and husband's rejection. We find out the probability. तो दोनों केसेस के probability मालूम करना है। तो फर्स्ट केस क्या है? Husband is selected, wife is rejected. Second, wife is selected, husband is rejected. तो probability of husband selection and wife's rejection. When we are calculating and, we have to multiply both the probabilities. Which are both the probabilities? Husband selection, wife's rejection. What is the symbol for husband selection? P of A. What is the symbol for wife's rejection? P of B bar. So we multiply P of A into P of B bar. P of A into P of B bar. So P of A is 1 by 7, P of B bar is 4 by 5. तो 1 by 7, 4 by 5. ये दोनों को multiply कर लो. 1 by 7, 4 by 5. 4 by 35. 4 by 35 is the probability of husband selection, wife rejection. Now second, probability of wife's selection and husband's rejection. So again and means multiply. Wife's selection is P of B and husband's rejection is P of A bar. So we multiply P of B into P of A bar. P of B into P of A bar. 1 by 5 into 6 by 7, 6 by 35. 6 by 35 is the probability of wife's selection and husband's rejection. ये दो केसेस में से कोई भी एक केस हो, म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव है, बोथ आर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव, कोई भी एक केस हो सकता, हस्बैंड का रिजेक्शन सिलेक्शन वाइफ रिजेक्शन हो सकता है, या वाइफ सिलेक्शन हस्बैंड रिजेक्शन, दो में से कोई एक होगा, राइट? नाउ वी नीड व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एनी वन ऑफ देम विल बी सिलेक्टेड। तो द रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी इज एड अप द टू प्रोबेबिलिटीज, P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B. Mutually exclusive event. When the events are mutually exclusive, P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B. Here case 1 is P of A, case B is P of B. तो दोनों को ऐड करेंगे P of A. P of A is 6 by 35 और P of B is 4 by 35. Case A1 is 4 by 35, case 2 is 6 by 35. तो 4 by 35 divided plus 6 by 35 will get 10 by 35 or 2 by 7. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 30. 2 by 7 is the probability that any one of them will be selected, husband selected or wife selected. कोई एक का selection होने की probability 2 by 7. That's it. This is a very important problem. Next. Now we come to 38th problem. Problem number 38. The probability that a contractor will get plumbing contract is 2 by 3 and the probability that he will not get an electric contract is 5 by 9. If the probability of getting any one of the contract is 4 by 5, what is the probability that he will get both the contracts? One contractor is there, he is undertaking all types of contracts, electric contract, plumbing contract, like that. So the probability that this contractor will get the plumbing contract is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the probability that he will get the plumbing contract. And the probability that he will not get an electric contract is 5 by 9. Not getting the electric contract is 5 by 9. If the probability of getting any one of the contract, either plumbing or electric, दो में से कोई एक contract मिलने की probability 4 by 5. What is the probability that he will get both the contracts? दोनों contract मिलने की probability क्या है? Plumbing as well as electric. Simply, we put the information of the problem in symbolic form. Then it will be easier for us to solve the problem. Symbols will make use A and B. P of A, probability of getting plumbing contract. P of B, probability of getting electric contract. Then the problem will become very simple. P of A, probability of getting plumbing contract 2 by 3 given in the problem. P of B, probability of getting electric contract. This is not given in the problem. Problem में जो दिया probability of not getting electric contract दिया. Careful, remember, concentrate, focus now. probability of not getting electric contract is given as 5/9. In the problem it is given. तो इलेक्ट्रिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं मिलने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 5/9 है, लेकिन हमको नहीं मिलने की प्रोबेबिलिटी चाहिए. वी वांट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग द इलेक्ट्रिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. तो 1 में से माइनस कर देंगे. 1 minus 5/9, 4/9. तो 4/9 is the probability of getting the electric contract. 1 minus 5. प्रॉब्लम में 5/9 दे दिया नॉट गेटिंग का, हम उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिए गेटिंग के लिए. तो 1 minus 5/9, 4. So we got P of A, P of B. P of A or B means probability of getting any one of the contract, either A or B is 4/5. ये भी दे दिया प्रॉब्लम में. दो में से कोई एक मिलने की probability 4/5. And P of A and B probability of getting both the contracts. दोनों मिलने की probability क्या है? दोनों मिलने की probability क्या है? That's what we have to calculate. The events A and B are not mutually exclusive. नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव का मतलब दोनों भी अगर हो सकते तो नॉट म्यूचुअली. दोनों एक साथ नहीं हो सकते, एक हुआ तो दूसरा नहीं. प्लम्बिंग मिला तो इलेक्ट्रिक कभी नहीं मिलता, इलेक्ट्रिक मिला तो प्लम्बिंग कभी नहीं मिलता, तो इसको म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव होता है. ऐसा तो नहीं है. द कॉन्ट्रैक्टर कैन वेरी वेल गेट बोथ द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ऑल्सो. ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी मिल सकता है, बी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी मिल सकता है, ए और बी दोनों भी मिल सकते हैं, तो इसको नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव कहते हैं. When the events are not mutually exclusive, the probability of A or B, P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. That is the form. Already in so many problems we have applied. So P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. P of A or B is given in the problem 4/5 is equal to P of A given in the problem 2/3. P of B we have calculated 4/9. Minus P of A and B we don't have, we have to find out. So in this whole equation the unknown variable is P of A and B. It is on RHS. Now take it to LHS. So minus will become plus. So P minus P of A and B इधर ला लिया तो plus P of A and B. Now keep it as it is, 2/3 as it is, 4/9 as it is. Bring that 4/5 from LHS to RHS. तो यहाँ plus 4/5 है, यहाँ पर minus 4/5 हो जाएगा. Now take the LCM. 3 into 9 into 5 you will get 135. 3 into 9 27, 27 into 5 135. अब डिवाइड करेंगे 135 divided by 5 you will get 45. 45 into 2 90. 135 divided by 9 you will get 3. You will get not 3. 135 divided by 9 you will get 4 I think. Yes. 135 divided by 9 you will get 15. 135 divided by 9 you will get 15. 15 into 4 you will get 16. उसी तरह 135 divided by 5, 135 divided by 5 you will get 27. 27 into 4 you will get 108. Simple mathematics, 108. तो 90 plus 60 minus 108 it will get 42. 42 by 135. अब इसको 3 से कैंसिल होगा. 3 1 3, 3 4 12, 3 4 3 1 3. 135 divided by 3, 15, 45. 14 by 45. How much? 90 plus 60 minus 108. You will get 42. 42 means 42 divided by 3 you will get 14. 135 divided by 3 you will get 45. So 14 by 45, not 15. 14 by 45. Here also 45. So 14 by 45 is the probability of getting both the contracts. दोनों contract मिलने की probability 14 by 45. That's it. Now next problem. Problem number 39. See the problem 39. A candidate is interviewed for 3 posts. 3 posts are there. The candidate has applied for all the 3 posts. For the first post, there are 3 candidates. The probability of getting the first post is 1/3. Suppose I have applied for 3 posts in a company. In the first post, already 3 candidates are there. The probability of getting the job in the first post is 1/3. Then for the second, there are 4 candidates. The probability of getting the second post is 1/4. And for the third post, there are 2 candidates only. The probability of getting the third post is 1/2. What are the chances of his getting at least one post? What is the probability that he will get at least one post? ये 3 पोस्ट में से कम एक पोस्ट मिलना, एक मिलना या 2 मिलना या 3 मिलना, कम से कम एक पोस्ट मिलना. What is the probability? तो इसको इनडायरेक्टली मालूम करेंगे. 1 माइनस probability of not getting any post. 1 minus probability of not getting any post. तो ये शॉर्टकट मेथड. अदरवाइज अगर लॉन्ग मेथड से P of A और B और C अगर ऐसा मालूम करेंगे तो it will take more time. तो शॉर्टकट मेथड 1 minus probability of not getting any post at all. So we'll put the data in symbolic form. P of A, probability of getting first post. Probability of getting first post, P of A. How many candidates are there in first post? 3. So 1 by 3 is the probability of getting first post. P of A bar, not getting. Probability of not getting the first post. So 1 minus 1 by 3, you'll get 2 by 3. So 1 by 3 probability of getting the first post, 2 by 3 probability of not getting the post. P of B, probability of getting second post. In second post, 4 candidates are there. So probability of getting 1 by 4. 1 by 4 probability of getting the second post. 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 is the probability of not getting the second post. P of B is equal to probability of getting second post, 1 by 4. P of B bar, probability of not getting the second post, 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Similarly, P of C, probability of getting the third post. Only 2 candidates are there in the third post. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the probability of getting third post. What is the probability of not getting the third post? 1 minus 1 by 2. 1. So P of A bar, P of B bar, P of C bar. A, B, C जो है वो मिलने की probability है और A bar, B bar, C bar नहीं मिलने की probability है. तो all the values are given. Probability of not getting any post. What is the probability that he will not get the first post, he will not get the second post, he will not get the third post? कोई भी post नहीं मिलेगा. What is the probability? So that is P of A bar into P of B bar into P of C bar. What is P of A bar? 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. अब ये 3 cancelled होगा, ये 2 cancelled होगा तो 1 by 4. That's it. 1 by 4 is the probability that he will not get any post. But we want what is the probability that he will get at least one post. कम से कम एक पोस्ट मिलना, तो उसकी probability 1 minus probability of not getting any post. तो 1 minus probability of not getting any post. 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 में से 1 by 4 निकाल दो, 3 by 4. तो 3 by 4 is the probability that he will get at least one post. That's it. Now 40. Problem number 40. A problem in statistics is given to 5 students A, B, C, D, E. Statistics का problem है. 5 student को दिए solve करने के लिए A, B, C, D. Their chances of solving it are 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. The probability that A will solve the problem is 1 by 2. 50-50. ये problem A solve करेगा, इसके chances है 50-50, 1 by 2. And B के लिए 1 by 3. The probability that B will solve the problem is 1 by 3. Then probability that C will solve the problem is 1 by 4. Probability that D will solve the problem is 1 by 5. And probability that E will solve the problem is 1 by 6. What is the probability that the problem will be solved? What is the probability that the problem will be solved? The problem will be solved when any one of the students solves the problem. प्रॉब्लम कब सॉल्व होगा? जब 5 स्टूडेंट में से कोई भी एक स्टूडेंट या एक से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट अगर सॉल्व कर लिए तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. ए सॉल्व कर लिया या बी सॉल्व कर लिया या सी सॉल्व या डी ई कोई भी अगर सॉल्व करेगा तो द प्रॉब्लम विल गेट सॉल्व. तो इसको कैसा मालूम करेंगे? व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट विल सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट नो स्टूडेंट सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. No student solved the problem. All the students failed in solving the problem. So we need the probability of not solving. तो problem में जो probability दिया है, that is the probability of solving the problem. Now we need what is the probability of not solving the problem. तो 1 minus कर देंगे. जैसा A है, A student the probability of solving the problem is 1 by 2. तो what is the probability of not solving the problem? 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. तो 1/2 सॉल्विंग कहा, 1/2 नॉट सॉल्विंग. अब बी स्टूडेंट का probability of solving the problem is 1/3. Then what is the probability of not solving the problem? 1 minus 1/3, 2/3. 2/3. C का probability of solving the problem is 1/4. What is the probability of not solving the problem? 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. So we have converted the probability of solving into not solving. Then we calculate what is the probability that problem is not at all solved. कोई भी solve नहीं करे. ना A किया, ना B, ना C, ना D, ना E. कोई भी problem solve नहीं करे. What is the probability of not solving the probability? P of A bar into P of B bar into P of C bar into P of D bar into P of E bar. Multiply कर लो, not solving आ गया. अब हमको मालूम करना है what is the probability that at least one of the students solve the problem is equal to 1 minus probability of not solving by any student. We'll get the answer. Just like the previous problem, probability that the problem will be solved is equal to 1 minus probability that the problem will not be solved. तो अगर ये मालूम करना है आपको what is the probability that the problem will be solved is equal to, remember this formula, 1 minus probability that the problem is not solved. तो P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A. P of A कितना दिया? 1/2. तो 1 minus 1/2, 1/2. P of B bar is equal to 1 minus P of B. तो 1 minus 1/3, 2/3. P of C bar is equal to 1 minus P of C. 1 minus 1/4, 3/4. P of D bar 1 minus 1/5, 4/5. P of E bar 1 minus 1/6, 5/6. Now we calculate probability that the problem will not be solved at all. What is the probability that the problem will not be solved? So P of A bar into P of B bar into P of C bar into P of D bar into P of E bar. So 1/2. 1/2 into 2/3 into 3/4 into 4/5 into 5/6. पूरों को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, देखिए कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 2 will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled, 4 will get cancelled, 5 will get cancelled. Ultimate remaining 1/6. 1/6 is the probability that the problem will not be solved. Will not be solved. Then what is the probability that the problem will be solved? 1 minus probability that the problem is not solved. So 1 minus 1/6. 1 minus 1/6 is 5/6. So 5/6 is the probability that the problem definitely will be solved by any of the student. That's it. Now 41. Problem number 41, you see. There are 100 students in a class of which 36 are boys studying statistics and 13 girls are not studying statistics. कुछ डाटा दिया है, 100 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, स्टूडेंट्स में बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स मिले हुए हैं. तो 35 are boys studying statistics and 13 are the girls not studying statistics. If there are 55 girls in all, तो पूरे 100 स्टूडेंट्स में से 55 गर्ल्स है, तो remaining 45 boys. So we can segregate. Total number of students 100, number of girls 55, number of boys 45. Now find the probability that the boy picked at random is not studying statistics. Find the probability that a boy is picked up at random. What is the probability that he is not studying statistics? So how many boys are not studying statistics? Number of boys are 45. Number of boys studying statistics is 36 given in the problem. So 45 boys में से 36 boys are studying statistics. So how many boys are not studying statistics? Boys not studying statistics. 45 minus 36, 9. So out of the total number of boys, 45 boys, 9 boys are there who are not studying statistics. A boy is picked up at random and found that he is not studying statistics. What is the probability? So how many boys are not studying statistics? 9. How many total number of boys? 45. So 9/45 or 1/5 is the probability that the boy selected is not studying statistics. This is the end of problem number 41.